Well, if you've ever looked for an affordable apartment in LA, then you know how challenging it can be. Making matters even worse, the number of people moving to the city is outpacing available places to live, creating a housing crisis. Experts weighed in recently on what can be done to turn things around. Anna Marcos was there.
The bottom line is LA needs to build more housing. Market rate housing, affordable housing, shelters, supportive housing for the homeless, and it needs to happen fast.
In LA County, we're about 500,000 units short of what we need to meet the demand for affordable housing. We cannot stay in this deficit and expect that our city is going to continue to be livable.
The East Area Progressive Democrats put on this panel of housing experts to talk about the affordable housing crisis and what the group is calling high-rise development stress. Communities displaced or changed with high-rise development for which the city isn't even collecting development impact fees.
Now, we know that if those development impact fees were being collected at a more rigorous level, as they do with parking tickets, we would have some more revenue to do affordable housing development in the city.
Land costs and development costs are high, and incomes are relatively low compared to most communities in the state. So we get this kind of double whammy of badness.
Even the city's rent control is losing its teeth as LA continues to lose more and more of its affordable housing units. Any units built after 1978 aren't even covered under rent control, which means more and more of these rent-controlled units are falling off the market.
The rent burden makes a difference in how people live and what they can afford. When they're paying so much for rent, they can't afford medicine and food.
Meanwhile, high-rise luxury units run at a 12% vacancy rate, while affordable housing remains scarce.
I'm a huge fan of building affordable housing in any way that we can.
Organizers say the purpose of the panel wasn't to find solutions, but to begin to hammer out possible ideas and to hold government leaders accountable for what has become a full-blown housing crisis. I'm Anna Marcos for LA This Week.
You'll get a chance to vote on two housing ballot measures soon, the Build a Better LA measure on November 7th and the Neighborhood Integrity Initiative on March 7th.